The financial news just keeps getting worse for the Cleveland School District, still trying to erase the remaining $20 million deficit in its current budget. It looks like another huge shortfall is on the horizon for next year. News Channel 5's Deborah Lee sat down for a one-on-one interview with the district CEO today and joins us with the details. Deb, just how bad is it?
Once again, it'll be in the millions. And as Dr. Sanders put it today, they only have two choices: more cuts or more revenue.
At some point, we're going to have to go and ask the citizens for more money.
Dr. Eugene Sanders says the Cleveland Metropolitan School District is looking at another $50 million budget deficit for next fiscal year. The big problem, stimulus money. It's drying up.
It's what they call the cliff, because stimulus is all good until you get to a point where it's no longer available. It's not reoccurring.
It's a school district already battered by budget cuts. 663 teachers and support staff may not have jobs in the fall, increasing class sizes to about 40 kids. But Dr. Sanders says that problem is fixable.
Candidly, David Quokey and the CTU leadership have it in their hands to solve this problem today.
The teachers union at a rally earlier this week was critical of the CEO for listing contract concessions that could save hundreds of jobs and millions of dollars, a 4.62% pay cut, a freeze on step increases, and a change in health care benefits. Dr. Sanders says that's not negotiating in public.
I'm trying to walk a very fine line between letting the public know exactly what I think we should be doing versus giving a blow-by-blow, of every day of negotiations, which I will not do.
Tonight, they're still looking for a fact finder. The teachers union contract expires at the end of next month. Now, as for asking the voters for new money at some point, the CEO said several things have to happen. First, one of them is for the community, he said, to see that sacrifices are being made. Find out what else he said by logging on to newsnet5.com. Deborah Lee, News Channel 5.